said it. What up? This is Downshift 183. I'm here with my friends. Introduce yourself.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Janae.
Yeah, she said we wanted to be in the video. Right now I got another video set up for you guys. So after this intro, get started. Later.
We make the streams louder.
This car.
Oh.
Oldsmobile. That's nice.
Gran Torino.
It probably is.
Yep.
Torino. El Camino. That Red Rod. Corvette. Ooh, that Ford. Easing out Ford. Yes. Ooh, that Red Rod. El Camino. Corvette. Wait, what's that? I think that's a Dart. That's a Dodge Dart. Buick.
Oh, dang.
Oh, Charger RT.
Ooh.
That's the Charger.
Nice. That's nice. Ooh, I like that.
Pontiac. No, that's a Firebird. That's a Firebird.
That's what was on the Matrix.
Yeah.
But the other one was purple.
These are some pretty nice cars.
Yes. Look at that. Yeah.
The intercool.
Look at this Mustang.
ありがとう。俺は俺の足で歩く。